In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize your app in Monday.com. Let's dive straight in and explore the steps you'll need to take, turning your app into a revenue generating tool within the Monday.com ecosystem. First, you'll need to head over to the Monday.com website. Once you're there, you'll notice in the upper right corner of the screen a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if this is your first time signing in, you'll be prompted to log in using either Google or an email that's linked to your Monday account. If you're a returning user, you'll be taken directly to your Monday workspace. Once you're in your workspace, you'll discover that Monday's app monetization feature allows your app to accept payments directly within the platform. This is a seamless way to enhance user experience and keep everything within one ecosystem. Next, if you haven't already created your app or you want to start a new one, you'll want to create your app right within the platform. To begin this process, you'll click on your avatar picture located in the upper right corner of the screen. A menu will drop down. From here, select Developers. This click will open a new tab where you'll start your app creation journey. It's crucial at this early stage to ensure your app aligns with all the marketplace requirements set by Monday.com. If there are any requirements you haven't met, they'll be highlighted during the review process. Moving forward, you'll want to complete the app listing guidelines and the app review checklist. This step ensures everything is in place before submission. Once you've meticulously completed the first phase, you can then submit your app. In the Developer Center, you'll find a Create App button. Clicking on this will bring up a form where you need to fill in general information about your app. This is where you give your app its identity. When your app is ready to be shared, navigate to the Share tab and publish your app. Doing this will generate a shareable link that starts with au.monday.com, which is essential to move further. Now that you have your link, open the Submit App tab, click on Submission Form and fill out all required sections carefully. Once you've submitted the form, your app enters the review process. If there are any areas that fall short of Monday.com's standards, their team will reach out to you via a Monday.com board to discuss necessary changes. Once all flagged issues are addressed, the team will revisit your app, and with all checks cleared, you'll receive approval to enter the marketplace. Upon approval, your app enters the marketplace lifecycle where it can start generating revenue from users. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to monetizing your app on Monday.com. Thanks for watching and best of luck in transforming your app into a successful venture on the platform.